So guys, this is my another video. So guys, this is my another. So guys, this is the top of my top guys. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rangita Khiliju, and I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today I'm gonna show you guys very Pinteresty tops from Meesho guys. I have seen my old tops. मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, सारे टॉप्स इतना पिंटरेस्टी है, बहुत ही क्यूट, बहुत ही प्रीटी सारे टॉप्स है and prices भी काफ़ी reasonable है. And I think I'm gonna show you 8 tops in this whole video. So without any further ado, let's start. So guys, let's start with my most prettiest top from Meesho. Yeah. So the top is this. Oh my god. So the top is this. Ta-da! So guys, this is the top. Oh my god guys, just look at the top. It's very pretty guys, see, it's so interesting. I love this top very much. The cute two bow here is so pretty, and the design, this is the front area of this, and this is the back design. So this is the sleeve design of this top. तो ये टॉप को कहते हैं gingham something, right? मेरा pronunciation सही नहीं हो रहा, but anyway this is called gingham top something. So this is my first top and I love this top very much. It's so Pinteresty guys. Let me tell you all that you guys will get different colors in this top. I think blue, white, बहुत सारे colors available है, but for I think ये अभी तो stock पे नहीं है, it's out of stock. But मैं इसका लिंक अपलोड कर दूंगी जब ये स्टॉक पे होगा, बट फिलहाल इट्स आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. बट आई डोंट नो, जब तक मैं ये होल वीडियो अपलोड करूंगी तब तक मे बी ये स्टॉक पे आ जाएगा, आई डोंट नो. सो या, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टॉप फ्रॉम मीशो एंड आई लव दिस टॉप वेरी मच. आई गॉट दिस टॉप एट 323 something and the size I've ordered it's L size. Yeah, it's L size. So guys, this is a perfect Pinteresty, a perfect cute summer top from Meesho guys. Just look at the top, it's so pretty guys. So guys, my another cute top from Meesho is this. Ta-da! So guys, this is my another very pretty top from Meesho. This is the design from the back side, this is from the front side guys. Just look at the top, it's again very Pinteresty. The design, everything is so great. The lace thing here is so beautiful. Even here you will get lace. So this you can see here, it has some lace too. And back side, this is, it has got this rubber, so ये stretchable हो जाएगा आराम से. तो yeah, this is my another top from Meesho and I love this top very much. You can see that the color is so great and also like मैंने इसे already try किया है. तभी जब मैंने इसे try कर रही थी तो कलर मुझ पे काफ़ी कम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था ऐसा कलर, मेरे स्किन पे बहुत मैच हो रहा था. So this is my another top and इसमें भी बहुत सारा कलर्स अवेलेबल है. So like here you get this 1 2 3 4 buttons. So this is the look of this top and I got this top at again 300 something and the size I have ordered is in L size. So as the fabric is so good, okay, बहुत ही like the fabric is cotton and बहुत ही best है summer के लिए. This is a must have top in your wardrobe for this summer guys. And guys, my another Pinteresty top from Meesho is this. Ta-da! So guys, this is my another Pinteresty top from Meesho. This is how it looks from the back side, this is from the front area. So it has got this thing which is so gorgeous, and then this is the sleeve design of this top and you can see that it has got some buttons too. So this is my another top and I love this top. इस पे भी you guys will get different colors and the size, it's L size. Price again it's like 300 का around only. So this is my another top and the fabric it's cotton. I love this top very much. Again ये टॉप मुझ पे काफ़ी जच रही थी एंड ऑल्सो इसका नाम लाइक मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा साइज़ पे मंगा लिया. बाकी दोनों भी एल था, एल साइज़ में ही था, बट दोनों ठीक था मेरा साइज़ के लिए. बट दिस वन ये एल काफ़ी बड़ा है, यू कैन सी दैट बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा है. तो मैं इसे इन करके ही मैंने पहना था, तभी मुझे ये एरिया बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा लग रहा था. बट स्टिल गाइस, दिस टॉप इज़ अगेन अ मस्ट हैव इन योर वार्डरोब फॉर दिस समर इफ़ यू गर्ल्स आर पिंटरेस्टी देन, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा पिंटरेस्ट टॉप है एंड बहुत ही सुंदर है. अगेन कॉटन, इट्स लाइक कॉटन है फैब्रिक, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर टॉप है फ्रॉम Meesho. एंड गाइस, सिंस इट्स समर सो आई थॉट आई हैव टू ऑर्डर समथिंग इन वाइट कलर. So here is my another very pretty white top from Meesho, which is this. Ta-da! So guys, this is my another pretty top from Meesho and you can see that the top is so Pinteresty. Design is so Pinteresty. I love this top. It's full sleeve. See, it's full sleeve and again its fabric is cotton and you can see that it has this stripes which you have to tie it in a bow shape. See, And also you guys will get different color. It's color I think black and then pink and then this white. 3 colors available है इस पे, black, pink and then this white. So yeah, I love this one very much. But इतना है कि ये भी मुझे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लूज पड़ रहा था जब मैंने इसे ट्राई किया था. But this is again a must have top क्योंकि like color is so great, design is very Pinteresty, fabric बहुत ही अच्छा है. And the size I've ordered it's like I think large size पे मैंने order किया है. Here I can't see any size. So the price I think it's again 300 का आसपास पे ही था. I don't remember the exact price. So yeah, this is another very great top from Meesho. And guys, my another top from Meesho is this floral top, guys. Ta-da! So guys, I have been thinking to order this top since last year, but मैंने नहीं खरीदा. उस टाइम पे समर ही चला गया था जब तक मैंने इसे खरीदे सोचा नहीं खरीदा. Finally I got this top and you can see that it's again very pretty. The color is so beautiful. It's floral, which is so great. The color combinations, it has so many different colors, you can see that, which is so great. I love the color combination. The design is so beautiful. And also जब मैंने इसे try किया था, again I look very pretty with this top. तो मुझे ये top काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. This is the back side design of this top. This is from the front and this is how it look नीचे पे. And yeah, इसकी यहाँ पे ऐसा ये शेप पे है, V शेप, हल्का सा V शेप पे है जो कि बहुत ही सुंदर है. See, this is the design of this look. Back top and this is hem area. It's puffy. So yeah, I love this top very much. As I said, I've been thinking to buy this since last year and finally I got this top. And the price I think is 300 something. And the size I have ordered, it's in M size. It's large size. So guys, this is again a very pretty top from Meesho. I love this top very much. And also you guys will get different color in this top. And guys, my another top from Meesho is this. Ta-da! So this is the top, guys, from Meesho. So again you can see that the top is so pretty, color everything is so great. The color combinations of this top is so great. The design of this flower is so beautiful and it's full sleeve. So again, this is a must have top for this summer, since you can see that this is like ये बहुत ही जो इसका जो फैब्रिक है ना बहुत ही अच्छा है. समर के लिए तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. एंड डिज़ाइन भी काफ़ी लाइक सेक्सी ही है, बहुत सुंदर. इसे यू गाइस कैन वेयर दिस इन 3 वेज, लाइक ऐसे करके फिर इसको तरह नीचे टान के एंड देन फिर वन साइड करके भी इसे पहन सकते हैं जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. सो या दिस इज़ माई अनदर ब्यूटीफुल टॉप. अंदर पे इसका ये मटेरियल दिया है, अंदर का फैब्रिक इस तरह का है एंड देन बाहर का एज यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज़ फ्रॉम दी आउटसाइड. तो या दिस इज़ अगेन अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टॉप एंड नीचे पे इसका ऐसा वी शेप का डिज़ाइन दिया है जो कि काफ़ी प्रिटी है. तो ये टॉप ना जिसका लाइक बहुत सारा सुंदर सा फिगर होता है ना, वो लड़की लोगों के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. मेरे लिए तो इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था मुझे, बट जिसका फिगर बहुत अच्छा है उन सभी के लिए ये टॉप बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. एंड या दिस इज़ माई ब्यूटीफुल टॉप. And guys, my last top from Meesho is this very pretty yellow top, guys. Ta-da! So this is my very pretty yellow bow top from Meesho. So this is from the back side, this is from the outside, and you can see that here it has some this design lace, and this is the cute, it has this 1 2 3 cute 3 lace bow which is so gorgeous. See, this is a very cute top from Meesho, but itna hi ki this top is bit tight for me. Which size I have ordered? So here's no size. I think मैंने small पे ही मंगवाया होगा इसे, तभी the size is very small for me. Otherwise this is again a very pretty top, a must have top in your wardrobe for this summer. You can see that it's so Pinteresty. The color, as I said, the yellow is the official color for this year. So this is a very pretty yellow top from Meesho, a yellow bow top from Meesho, and I got this at 200 to 300 around only. So yeah, make sure to buy my all these collections of top, guys. So yeah guys, these are my collections of tops from Meesho. Do let me know which tops you guys like the most, and also make sure to subscribe my channel and do let me know which haul you guys wanna see next time. Till then, as usual, take care and bye bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.